Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm the FIXT Protocol Guy, and in today's video, we're diving into something every developer and IT professional working with FIXT APIs needs to understand. Network level security for FIXT API access. We'll walk through how encryption tools like tunnel, TLS versions, certificates, and proper network access control protect sensitive trading data, and how to keep your setup secure and compliant. Let's get into it. What is network level security? When we talk about network level security in FIXT environments, we're referring to how your system protects data in transit. That is, messages being sent between your trading system and a broker, exchange, or other counterparty. FIXT messages are plain text by design, which means if you're not securing the network path, anyone could theoretically see. Orders, the prices, execution reports, even account-level trade details. That's where encryption, tunneling, and access control come into play. Tunnel and TLS encryption. One of the most widely used tools for FIXT encryption is tunnel, a lightweight proxy that allows you to encrypt FIXT sessions using TLS. Think of tunnel as a wrapper. It takes your unencrypted FIXT traffic, wraps it in a secure TLS layer, and sends it across the internet or a leased line. The broker on the other side is running tunnel too, unwrapping the traffic and passing it along to their FIXT engine. Important: always use TLS version 1.2 or higher. Earlier versions like TLS 1.0 or 1.1 are no longer considered secure and may be blocked by compliance teams or regulators. Certificates, client and server side. With TLS, encryption is based on certificates, small digital files that validate the identity of the connection parties. Here's what typically happens. Your firm installs a client certificate issued by a certificate authority, CA, or generated in-house. The broker or exchange provides you with their server certificates. These are exchanged and trusted via mutual TLS, ensuring that only authorized systems can connect. Always ensure your certificates are valid and not expired, issued by a trusted CA, updated securely in production environments. If you're using tunnel, you'll need to configure .pem and .key files correctly in your config files. A misconfigured cert file is one of the most common onboarding blockers. Firewalls, IP whitelisting, and access control. Encryption is just one piece. You also need to protect who can connect. Firewall rules. Only allow inbound, outbound FIXT traffic from known IPs and ports. No general purpose traffic allowed. IP whitelisting. Most FIXT providers require you to provide static source IPs. This means you can't use dynamic cloud servers or changing home IPs. Dedicated ports per client. Some firms offer per client port separation, so even if one connection is compromised, others remain secure. Connection limits and failsafes. Limit connection retries, block malformed sessions, and always log disconnect events. Monitoring and debugging secure connections. Securing FIXT is great, but it adds a layer of complexity when it comes to debugging. With encrypted traffic, you can't easily read logs with plain FIXT messages. You need tools like Wireshark with TLS decryption or tunnel debug logs. Monitoring should be configured at the tunnel or TLS proxy layer, not just inside the FIXT engine. Good practice. Log every connection attempt, failure, and TLS handshake. Track cert expiry dates with alerts. Store your keys securely and rotate them periodically. Best practices summary. Let's summarize some best practices for securing FIXT connectivity. Always use TLS 1.2 or above. Use tunnel or equivalent proxies for encrypted traffic. Manage client-server certificates properly, no expired certs. Implement strong firewall and IP restrictions. Regularly test and monitor encrypted session stability. Maintain a good debugging playbook for encrypted traffic issues. Why this matters? Why all the fuss? Because in the world of trading, latency, stability, and security can make or break your reputation, and potentially cost your firm millions. Most regulators now expect encryption as standard, and many large buy-side firms won't even consider onboarding unless your FIXT access supports TLS 1.2 or higher. So treat this setup as seriously as you would the trading system itself. Thanks for tuning in. I hope this gave you a solid understanding of network-level security for FIXT API access, and why tools like Stunnel, certificates, and TLS 1.2 Plus are a must-have in any professional trading setup. Drop your questions below, especially if you've hit any issues with Stunnel configs or cert setups. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell icon to stay updated with more FIXT-focused videos every week. Thanks again. I'm the FIXT Protocol Guy, and I'll catch you in the next one.